Okay. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our do-it-yourself holiday gift items with essential oils. My name is Lori Lockyer. I'm a women wellness expert, and this is
Michelle Prouty, sports performance dietitian and expert.
Yes, and we love making gifts with doTERRA, and our families love getting gifts that are made from essential oils, and they're healthy. They're healthy gifts. They're fun to make. They're made with love. So we want to give you some ideas, and when we send out the recording, we'll have a PDF of all of the presentation, so you'll have all of the ingredients and how to make them. So don't worry about taking a bunch of notes right now, because we will provide that. So let's get going. Share my screen. Okay, and where is my slideshow? There we go. Okay, Diana. Okay, so we're going to start off with bath salt ornaments.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to talk a little bit about this?
Sure. This one is fun. I didn't get the ornament itself. I looked, but I actually am going to have to order some on Amazon. But you can get plastic ones that that split in the middle, and you can fill them. I do have the bath salts, and they're super easy. It's just Epsom salt and 5 drops of whatever oil you want. So
yeah, and again, you can, this one shows clove, but you can use any, I think lavender is great, rosemary, serenity, balance, bergamot. I keep thinking of bergamot mint, that's a great one. So play with it, and again, they're great ways to do it. And if you don't have an ornament, you can still Ziploc baggie. So people love them. And they're also great for soaking your feet. So some people may not have bathtubs, but doing a foot soak, especially with any of the calming oils, adaptive, any of the tree oils are really good for that. So I love doing a foot soak with the Epsom salt. It just kind of pulls out toxins from your feet, it gets them really clean, and those essential oils get right up into your pores and make you feel all good. Okay. Oh, the candy cane sugar scrub. This is the one that you made. So I'm gonna stop sharing. I got to get our picture. There we go. Yay! So this one was super fun, and you were able to use beet juice.
I did
for the color
because I didn't have any skin and any safe food dye, so I improvised and made some beets in my Instant Pot this morning, and I use that for the red.
Yay! Yeah. So let's see if I can get. I still can't get our. That's okay. That's okay. We'll just have fun with it.
Yeah. So this has it's basically sugar, fractionated coconut oil, and peppermint, and then once you mix all those together, you split it into 2 bowls. One bowl you leave, the other one you put the food dye in, and
or the beet juice.
Yeah. I haven't tried it on the skin. I don't know what that's going to do, if it's going to make it red.
No, I don't think so. Yeah, I think it'll be great. And if you don't want to use sugar, you can use sea salt or Himalayan salt to make it a salt scrub. So that's another great way to do it. And again, if you don't have fractionated coconut oil, you can substitute almond oil, grapeseed, avocado oil. So feel free to have fun with any of these. But yeah, it's a great, it's a really nice gift, even if people are just using it on their hands. A lot of times our hands really need a exfoliating. And so I keep a sugar scrub right at the sink, and we'll use it a lot of times when I get home from the barn, or just when I feel like my hands are feeling a little rough. So lots of great ways to use sugar scrubs. The hand salve, I love this, and I love it because Lachelle gave it to me last year for Christmas. So you can kind of see the design of this, but I'm gonna take the screen off and have her share and show you some things here.
Well, since this is the season of giving.
Thank you. What do we get? Ooh, bergamot mint and lavender.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. I just love. Yeah. So in the beginning, you kind of may have to use your nail to get it, but then it does soften up. It does soften up over time, and just so incredibly. Thank you. Okay, go ahead and talk.
Okay, so basically, I got beeswax from a local natural food store, and they're just the little granules. And what you do is, if you have a double boiler, you can use that. But I just use like a glass measuring cup. And I put that in boiling water in a pan or a pot, and you put that in until it melts. Then
you made your own double boiler.
I did. And then you add the shea butter, and that just makes it really smooth. And then I use almond oil. So all of those go in, and then you can let it cool just for a few seconds, and then you add whatever oils you want. And I think I added 20 drops of the lavender and 20 drops of the bergamot mint.
So, and was that for just one tin? Okay, so for one tin, 20 drops of each?
Yeah, I mean, you can. It smells so good. And I got these little tins on Amazon, of course, and they're really inexpensive. So
yeah, and super easy. I mean, she gave me one, or we got a couple last year, and they're super easy to travel with and everything. But yeah, I put them on my feet at night, and now my hands are super soft. Yay. Okay, well, let's go back to see where we are. Okay, so we'll so this was, basically, again, it does take a little bit more than 5 minutes. So,
well, I did kind of somewhat time it, and altogether, I think it took about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yeah. So, and we want to thank Heather, designer. Dingizer.
Yes.
So, but I'll have the full instructions on here. So you'll have those. Okay, the Grateful Garland. This is a fun one to make with family, to give away, to decorate. But it's a fun way to just have a family event. When I was growing up, we made garland out of cranberries and popcorn, and we stringed cranberries and popcorn every year for the garland on our tree. And so here's a way to get just some little felt balls, and it has the number 10 crochet thread, which I think you can may be able to use any kind of thread, but that gives you an idea. And then some needles and obviously your favorite essential oils. So you're just pretty much lining up the balls and stringing them on there, and then you are able to just add the essential oils to the ball. And whether you put them on the tree or you hang them up, in your house, you can continue to, to add essential oils. So the grateful part of it is you're taking some cardstock and you're actually writing on there, what you're grateful for, and hanging that. So you can do like a little, this recommend to do like a little flag, and just, drape the flags over the thread between the felt balls, and you can use a glue stick to make sure that they're secure and that they stay together. So a fun family event and a great time that you can use Christmas colors over the holidays, but you could do a grateful garland anytime of the year, and the essential oils just make it smell so wonderful. Okay, was that the last one? I guess that was the last one in mine. I also, some of the other ones, because oh, you have that, and I wasn't able to get the picture on there. So let's stop sharing. Because okay.
This is another fun gift that I've made. This is dishwashing soap. So I basically got this little container. Sorry.
There we go.
And I got it at Target, and it was about $10, not expensive. And then I fill it with Castile soap. You can get that at you can get it on Amazon, but you can get it at like Whole Foods and places like that. So then I add I don't have it written down, but it's wild orange, lime, lemon, and I add like maybe a teaspoon of the doTERRA cleaner concentrate, the On Guard cleaner concentrate.
Okay, and I'm gonna see if I can bring up. No, that's gonna be too hard to find your email. So, we won't go there. So we'll send that recipe out, and a couple other recipes I'm going to just include are some like some gingerbread. So we have a gluten-free, and I'm not sure if it was gluten-free, vegan way to make gingerbread cookies, which I think are super fun to make. We will be having a cooking class on the 22nd, is it? And you look at each other. We'll send the class.
Yeah.
I think it's that Tuesday. It's in the evening, so we're gonna have cocktails.
Yes.
That was the whole reason for having it.
Infused with doTERRA
Essential oils,
too.
yeah. And we'll have some mocktails too that you can make with essential oils, but some fun stuff, cooking to do around the holidays and even, afterwards and for winter. So we'll have fun with that. So that is all we have for today. And look at that, we're done in record time. So I'm going to stop the recording. Thanks for watching, and we will talk with you guys later.
And remember to get back to the person who invited you to watch this.
Yes, definitely.